All right, guys, this is round 2 for Walter. Another box of 2013 Bowman Draft Baseball. Don't you think that would be fun, though, Buff?
That would be a lot of fun.
Do you think people would like that?
I think they would love seeing that.
Yeah, I bet they would. All right, I'll stack all these up now. Or even like if we did something like push-ups, right?
I mean, push-ups might be better for our bodies.
For what?
For our bodies.
Yeah, I agree. Come on, baby, something big here. All right, here we go, Walter. Breakouts of Daniel Winkler, that is number 299. Jared Wilson refractor. Paper blue of Drake Britton, rookie, 500. CJ Cron, refractor. Garrett Cole, future of the franchise. Anthony Rendon, number 250, paper orange. Phil Rizzuto, sapphire. Sean Hurley, refractor. Tyler Skaggs, rookie. David Dahl, refractor. Michael Waka, chrome rookie. Ice of Chance Sisco. Justin Williams, refractor. And finish up, last little piece. Refractor of Denton Keys. And there's an autograph. It is DJ Peterson. Caleb Kellogg, refractor. And that'll do it for round 2.